In this video we'll be taking a look at this folding stainless steel barbecue from the range. It does come with an included fire pit, but I'll not be using it because I don't believe it's any good. And we'll be using it in Gosford Forest Park with some homemade charcoal, so we'll see how that goes. It's approximately 12 inches by 8 inches by 2 inches. Would be ideal for the likes of bicycle camping, car camping, or even caravanning. So it comes in this wee bag, which is quite handy for keeping things clean. And we have the grill, which folds out, the main body, the ash pan, and the grate. So the cooking area of this little grill is 12 inches by 12 inches, 30 centimetres by 30 centimetres, and I believe that's enough for 2 to 3 people at least. So this wee grill, I would imagine, would replace the common tin foil instant barbecues that you would buy in the supermarkets, and probably better, but we'll see. So for those caravan and camping sites that allow open fires, this here would make a cracking little fire pit. Now as you can see, I've got some sticks in there, but that's only just to get the homemade charcoal lit up. So this is what it looks like after its first burn. It doesn't look too bad, but it's a barbecue. It's going to look a bit sad. As some may have noticed, the coals did drop out the side of this, which is not ideal. So to rectify this, stainless steel gauze will be placed over the hole, which will allow the air to enter and keep the coals in place. So that should work. Now the second problem that I encountered was that the barbecue when using charcoal ran far too hot, as you can see here. So my solution was obviously to restrict the airflow. So simple solution, a little bit of tin, cut the size and just set it on top of the grate. Job done. So, would I recommend this to other people? As a fire pit, yes. As a barbecue, unless you can get a little plate or some way to restrict the airflow and keep the barbecue on some sort of non-flammable surface. As a barbecue, yes, it will work as well. It'll definitely outperform any of those disposable barbecues, and this is the main reason why I purchased it, because I've tried using them before and the disposable barbecues were just pure rubbish in my eyes anyway. So if you've already bought this barbecue from the range or one very similar maybe from eBay, please give us a wee shout in the comments there and let us know what you think. And thanks for watching everybody, and I hope you enjoy my channel, and give us a wee thumbs up if you can. Take care, and I'll see you soon.